I'm a locksmith, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Taylor brought the fucking
If
flex.
I wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith. If I wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith.
You can't turn a hoe into a housewife. Even when she married, she gon' lay that thug life.
Giving her a ring, it don't mean that's gon' knock her down. She gon' call my phone when you not around, and she gon' tell me pull up, so I'm about to pull up. Yeah, on your main bitch and we gon' bub. She say that she love me, she just can't get enough. Y'all about to get married, so I really wish you love. See, regardless, me and her, we gon' keep in touch. Call me anytime, I come through and beat it up. You know I'm a savage and sometimes you need a rub. He don't fuck like I do, you say he ain't keeping up. No, if I wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith. If I wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith. Call me anytime, I'll come through and unlock it.
Give it everything you need, satisfaction guaranteed, yeah.
Like you on my bitch, I'm about to fuck you. No, you ain't my bitch, you is that sucker. Yeah, I'm not understanding how we trust you. No, he a fool because he tryna cuff you. Oh, he's sticking around, I guess he really loves you.
That nigga better than me, cause I know that you a freak, yeah.
The way you get on top of me,
You're right.
orgasm every time that I'm inside it. The faces that you make tell me
You like it. You unlock and key, but ain't no stopping me,
If I
yeah.
wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith. If I wanna, I can have her, it ain't nothing. Tryna lock her down and stopping us from fucking. No, if you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith.
Give it everything you need, satisfaction guaranteed, yeah.
If you don't believe me, nigga, watch this. You can't cuff that bitch cause I'm a locksmith.